What's up, what's up, what's up? It's your girl Shorty B, and today I'm going to be going out to try to find some things that I need for my YouTube channel. I have $75 and I'm going to go to some pawn shops and to go to some Goodwills, any place that I can find something. I always call it treasure. So, started my car up in my car, getting ready to get my mask out, and I'm going to take you on this journey with me and see what we can find. Sometimes you can find some good treasures for low. Sometimes you can't. So, with that being said, let's get started. Our first stop is Cash America Pawn Shop. Let's see what we can buy in here with my $75 for my YouTube channel. Okay guys, I'm leaving the pawn shop. I spent over my $75. I end up spending, I think it was like 90 something dollars. As my sister called and, do they have this or they have this? So then she wanted a remote controller, wireless, for her husband's game. So I had to get that for her. She sent me the money. And I got some pretty nice stuff. So I'll show you guys what I got when I get home. Because you can't drive in Georgia and be talking on the phone. Okay, so see you when I get home. Okay guys, now I'm getting ready to show you the things that I got from the pawn shop first on my haul. I got this. It's a crock pot. I paid $10 for it. It's brand new. Got the top. Never been used. Comes out. $10. Have the cord and everything. So that was one thing that I got from the pawn shop for $10. I found this little camera. Doesn't have a name on it though, but for $19 I can use it over my stove when I'm videoing and having something cooking on the stove. We're gonna try it out. I'll let you know. For $19, I can pass it up. Then I got this single burner. Got this for $15. And I can use that out in my other room where I have my fryers. And I fry food out there, chicken and fish. And last but not least, from the pawn shop, I got a lid stand light. And it's a nice one. Open it up. It's got a lot of attachments to it. Different attachments. When I set it up, then I'll let you guys see it. So hopefully we won't have any problems. But I paid $1 on each one, so I have 15 days. bring it back. So that's from the pawn shop. Then I went to the Goodwill. They didn't have a whole lot. Thought they would have a whole lot because it's after Christmas, but they didn't have anything. But I just needed some extra bowls. I like these clear bowls because I can put little sauces and when I'm cooking stuff and seasonings in them. These were 59 cents a piece, and I got 7 of those. They were 59 cents a piece. Then I got this one, little clear bowl, and it was I think it was like $1.79. And I got this bowl, and it was $2.99. And I got these little black bowls, and they were 79 cents a piece. And I got these little spreaders and last but not least, I could not pass her up. I don't know what's her name. We're gonna name it and keep her around. She was looking so lonely, so I had to get her. And I think I paid $1.79 for her, and I thought she was really, really cute. I don't know what kind of gal it is. So guys, that's my haul for 2 days. Okay, this is your girl Shorty B. Like and subscribe. Thank you guys for liking and subscribing my videos, and be looking out for more videos from your girl Shorty B. And I'm out.